Judges who boast years in the judiciary while others have served acting stints in the Supreme Court of Appeal availed themselves for consideration to contribute to the court on a permanent basis. But their bids were met with questions from the Judicial Service Commission. Judge Faiza Kathri Setiluwane, who has considerable experience as an appellate judge, is no stranger to the JSC. She previously availed herself on several occasions for the Constitutional Court interviews, which were unsuccessful, raising questions.
Whenever I applied for the Constitutional Court, the thing that always worried me is that I would have liked to have gone through the Supreme Court of Appeal first. And now that I've been invited back to the Supreme Court of Appeal and I've amassed sufficient experience as a judge of that court in the last year and the previous time that I applied. Remember, the last time I was at the Supreme Court of Appeal was for a very short period of 6 months. And I truly believe that the Supreme Court is now the place for me. I have no ambitions right now to even consider going to the Constitutional Court.
Judge Malishane Anna Huele, who has spent 8 consecutive terms as an acting judge of the SCA from December 2020 until September 2022, saw the quality of her judgment writing thrown into the spotlight, a view she took to task.
I respect that view, but I have 2 fundamental flaws with the view. The first one is that this view only erupts during the interviews, because no presider ever approached me to complain about my judgments during my acting stint. The second is that the criticism is couched in general terms. There are no specifics provided in respect of which judgments are they, and there are no supporting materials to that. Unfortunately, general comments with no specifics are normally aimed at just breaking a person.
A total of 5 candidates were interviewed on Monday. The remaining 5 will be interviewed on Tuesday, which will be followed by deliberations and an announcement by the JSC on whether it will recommend candidates for appointment to the SCA. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.